Hello and welcome to the channel. Some brilliant news today. This is the final video, kind of Somerset House. It's taken over 5 months to complete this doll's house, but here it is in all its glory. This is just the front of the house, which you've seen many times. I managed to get the door, the name of the house over the door, which I was pleased about. You'll have to excuse the sound here. I have got a storm in the background. It was really bad today. Okay, so here on the door is the bedroom curtains, the bathroom blind, excuse me, the kitchen blind, and the living room blind curtains. And here we are into the bathroom. So there you can see is the improved shower curtain, which was swapped over from the grey one that I had. So pleased with that one. I made a little bath mat from the shower cubicle, the mouldy shower cubicle. So there we go, that is done. And then we go from there into the bedroom. Little clock on the wall there. And the pictures. I made a little plant with it. I've been making little miniature pottery, so there's one of them. And the other one is a little jug with a plant in as well, which is quite cute. So there we go. We go to the kitchen, little bin that I made. That was from a brilliant cap off a tub of WD-40. When you turned it upside down, it was a perfect bin. I thought, right, I'm using that. So there we go, a little bit of mail on the wall and the washer, the fridge, the shelf unit that I made. And then we've got the curtain that leads through to the living room. And that is now finished. I don't know if you can see the fire flickering away there. I'll explain about that in a minute. There we go. This is the mouldy living room because they haven't decorated this one yet, so it's still really dated. So here we go. That is the hatch that I've made for the fireplace. Now you can see that flickering around. Inside there, behind that hatch, there's a little battery operated candle light that slots in, and then the fire area is foil lined, so it reflects the candle light that comes off the candle. I was so pleased with it. I was really pleased with it because I didn't wire it up. I didn't want masses of wiring all over the place. It's just a simple little doll's house. I wanted to keep it simple, so there you go. That you can put different candles in if you like. It's standard size. So I thought it was so cute. Okay, so yeah, it's gone really well. Yeah, it's been hard work, but it's really well, and I will definitely make more. I'm not sure if you saw it on the video. I might have edited it out, but there was a sneak peek of the next house that I'll be doing. But yeah, here's the loft with all the bits and bobs in. And that is the overall view of the doll's house. It's been fun. Hopefully once this channel grows, you know, even now, you know, please send me your pictures of what your projects that you're working on to my Gmail. That'd be brilliant. I'd love to have a community here where we can talk about miniatures and share pictures and tips and tricks, and that would be amazing. So let's get this going. Let's get it started. Hello to every subscriber I have, all my new ones as well. I think you're all brilliant, and I really, really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. So yeah, lots more on the way as well, which is cool. So yeah, stick with it, and stick with me, should I say, and we'll see how we can do with this channel, see where we go from here. I would love it to be a community thing, so spread the word. So yeah, that was my first doll's house. It was fun. It was hard work. There's a few tantrums along the way, but yeah, it went all right. So now is the aerial footage. And here we go. We start off with the drone. We're going up. Oh, we're going so high. Look. Woo. Look how tiny the people are. See that giant finger come out of the nowhere? Woo. Look. The people are tiny. Like ants from up here. Cool. Look at that. Oh, look. She's on the ground. She is drunk. She's got a glass of wine there. Whoa, it's making me dizzy. I'm so high up. Woo. Oh, wow. Monster cat walked past. Oh, there's a man on the roof. What are you doing there, mate? You need to get down. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.